Hi, my name is Paul. So in this short video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to create Ubuntu Server, how to create an EC2 instance in AWS Console. So I assume you already have an AWS account. So if you don't, quickly get that set up and then, do the regular verifications and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm not going to go through that right now. You can watch my other videos to know how to sign up for AWS services. So when you log into your AWS Management Studio, this is the page you're going to come to. Okay, so you're going to just type in the search bar here EC2. Okay, so you click it. So what is an EC2 instance? It's just a private server or a private, it's a virtual server provided by AWS. So with this server, we're going to be installing, Java, Jenkins, Maven, Tomcat, and, we're going to use this server as a CI server. Okay, so, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to spin up an Ubuntu server, and that's what we want to do. So we're going to launch an EC2 instance. All right, so we're going to stay in the free tier only, and we're going to choose the Ubuntu Server 18.04 version. So you click select, and of course we're going to stay within the T2 micro. Okay, and then you're going to go straight to configure instance details. So, all right, so once you're here, you don't have to do anything, just leave it as it is. Okay, and then you click next to storage. Okay, we're going to leave the storage also just as it is, and then we're going to add some tags. I like to tag my instance. I'm just going to give this a name, say Jenkins. All right, so once that is done, you can go ahead and configure the security group. So I think I have a security group already that's been configured, which is the XG is open to port 8080. Okay, and of course I also put open to SSH port, so we're going to use that for this video. So when that is done, you just click review and then you launch. All right, so once you launch, you have to select or create a key pair here. This allows you to log into your Ubuntu server. So I have a couple of keys right here, but I'm going to use the Docker key. All right, and then of course you tick here to acknowledge that you already selected the private key. So you launch instances. All right, so we're going to go into it and see what's going on. It's going to take a couple of minutes, I think less than 60 seconds to spin up. So we're going to wait. So while you wait, you can see a couple of information here about the server, the instance name, the instance type, the private DNS, the private IPs, and so on and so forth. You can see the subnet and network interfaces. You can also see the security group. There's a whole lot of information you can see just from this angle. So I'm just going to refresh and see what's going on. So right now it took about less than 60 seconds, and then our server is up and running. So we're going to log in into the Ubuntu server. So how do you do that? You just click connect here. You select and click connect, and then you can just select this and copy. Make sure you have this downloaded. Okay, if you don't have it downloaded, please download it and put it in one of those folders. All right, so I'm going to go into I think my private key, it's in my download folder. So I'm just going to cd into it and see what's going on there. All right, so you're going to see it. So it's here. So I'm just going to, click, and then, all right, so it seems that it's okay. It's there. So it seems as it's there. So it says, do you want to continue to connect? So you just click yes. And I think, let me see, it's denied. I don't think it's there. So I'm just going to check exactly where mine is. So I think it's going to be on this part. So I'm going to check and see if it's there. All right, so you can see that it wasn't in my download folder. It was just in my home folder here. All right, so you can see that I'm already inside. So I already logging into my Ubuntu server. All right, so take out time, watch the video, get your hands steady on it. It's pretty easy. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.